A brief tip video for the subjunctive tense. At least for the active, if you recognize the forms of me, you'll know the forms of me, and you'll also know the endings. And it sounds very similar to oase, amen, ete, usi. And you'll notice the similarities, of course, here on the right-hand column. If you know these, you know the present active subjunctive. So basically all that's happening is a lengthening of the vowel. And so if you know that, then you know the subjunctive tense. Middle passive, lu-a, lu-o. And that's how you know that it's a subjunctive tense. It's a mood of possibility that's happening. Some forms will look the same. Context will always determine. In parsing, there might be numerous options. Context will always determine which of those potential options for translating the verb that it actually is. And so here's some other forms. Aorist tenses. You notice the indicative on the right, how similar they can be. However, you'll notice in the subjunctive, there's no augment, but you still have the sigma, and that's an indication that we're dealing with an aorist. In pretty much all of these cases, and right here, it's very obvious. Lengthened vowel here, lengthened vowel, and so forth. So a lot of these are fairly easy to recognize. It's just maybe difficult to figure out how to parse them exactly because of being able to definitively determine if it's a subjunctive or possibly some other tense. But basically, if you see the lengthened connecting vowel and a sigma, that'll be an aorist tense. And if you just see a lengthened vowel, then you know that that's probably going to be a present aorist form.